She walked with God. That was her game-changing strategy. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaylee. I am coming to you guys with another video. Today I am going to be doing my nails. I'm going to be using the Lightless Gel Kit by All Season Professionals. I am trying this out because I am in the business right now of saving me some coins. And right now I'm just showing you all the products I use. I use a top coat, like I used OPM, I think it was nail polish. Next, I'm going to be showing you everything that comes in the kit. It comes with the instructions, and it actually does it in a few different languages. It says you do not need a UV light, so we're going to see how this works out, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I was having a little bit of trouble at first, but I got it open. Now, in this kit, it comes with everything you need. I personally did not want to put tips on, but it does come with the nail glue and the white tips if that's what you want to use, and a nail file. But I did buy my own. The next thing we have is the Lightless Gel. Then we also have the Gel Cure Activator Spray. And then it comes with the tip and the spray nozzle. Now, those weren't really hard to put together. As you can tell, it was untwist, twist. Really not that difficult. And you want to make sure that you twist it tight so that when you're using it, it's not slipping out or getting everywhere. This kit is really self-explanatory. It's one of the first ones I've used, so I won't say it's the easiest, but it wasn't hard. Next, I just went in and I filed my nails down because I did take acrylics off just I think a day or two ago. I took the acrylics I did have on my nails off, and I'm trying to give them a chance to breathe a little bit. So I was just trying to make sure I got them as smooth as possible. Now, this process is sped up. Just so you know, it probably took me from start to finish around 45 minutes to do it, and that was with me recording, air drying, and everything like that. Next, I am going to do the first nail in real time so you can see how long it takes to do a nail. What I did notice is that there are 2 holes in that nozzle, which I didn't know at first. And I am trying to get this as even as I possibly can. I am going to do this again because there were some things that I figured out that I think will help me better the next time I do it. But right about here is when I figure out that there are 2 holes. But I will say, trying to get it even, you should take your time. Just to make sure that you spread it out as evenly as possible. And I would say put a thicker layer on, just because when you file it down, it does file down thinner. I tried to let it dry just a little bit because I wasn't sure, and I was reading the instructions right then. Next, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with the gel Gel Cure Activator. Now, I will say this stuff burned. It burned, and I took it off camera because it started actually burning. And I'm not sure if it's because I had just taken the acrylics off and my nail beds were sensitive, but I did blow it with my mouth a lot. I will say, do not shake your hands. Blow it, use a fan, but it does warm up when it's curing. That is just an FYI. Now, I'm going to do the rest of this hand on camera, and I'm going to speed it up. It's sped up to about, I think, 1.5 speed. So, and I was going to I sprayed that one. And then afterwards, I just decided to go ahead and do all of them instead of spraying each one because it started to burn. So I was like, let me just put the gel on all of them and then spray it. Um, but it once I got the hang of it, it wasn't as hard. I just will next time work on getting it a little bit smoother. But I think it went pretty well for it being my first time doing it. At that moment, it began to burn, and so I had to get off camera. Next, I am filing it down. And sorry, I went out of camera range for a little bit, but I was trying to see what I was doing. And right now, I'm trying to file it down to get it as evenly as possible because I want to put the polish on it. And I had some lumps and bumps in there. So I just go ahead, and I've actually done my other hand already as well. I did that off camera because I didn't want to make the video too long. If any of you guys have used this kit before, or if you actually try it, let me know what you think. If there are any nail techs out there, let me know what you think. Because at this point right here, y'all, I actually filed off a little too much. So I'm going in filling in divots and stuff like that. Like I told you before, I learned mistakes. But I still wanted you guys to see me do it on my first go around so I could do it with you. This is what the final outcome looked like after me putting the gel on. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just polish my nails. And I'm right now just using a regular old base coat by OPI. I could have just stopped right here and left it here, but because my nails are a little bumped and bruised up from having acrylic on them for so long, I'm going to go ahead and put some actual nail polish on, colored nail polish on top. I will say that I figured out, because I got all this stuff new, I will say I figured out that the nail polish that you get at the nail shop is thinner. I think they put some type of acetone or something, or some type of thinner in it, because when I used it, it was way thicker when I actually bought it myself versus them doing it at the nail shop. So I will say that. Now, I went and got my nail dryer. Y'all, if y'all want to see one of my thrifting videos, let me know if y'all want me to do one, because I got this nail dryer for $3.98 from the thrift store, and it works perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right now, I'm just going through and painting my nails. And just, if you guys have not subscribed, but you watched this much of this video, please subscribe, like, and comment for your girl. Tell me where you are from. I want to engage with y'all. I want to talk to y'all. I want to just, say hey. See what parts of the world are looking at my videos. But see how I was telling you I only had to put one layer on this polish. Normally when I go to the nail shop, they put it on 2 and 3. I only had to put one, and that was it. So, yes. Sorry again, I'm out of camera, but I'm really trying to do it on my right hand, using my left hand, and I'm right-handed, so it was a little difficult. But I'm going to lay my hand flat in 1 second. Y'all see my hand shaking? It was shaking bad. Also, I want to try some other nail kits. So if y'all know of any other ones, comment down below some other ones that you all know of. And I am not sure if I mentioned this. If I didn't, I am so sorry. This kit cost me $12 from Sally's. I think I put it in the beginning, up in the top, but I'm not sure because I'm doing a voiceover if I actually said it. But this kit did cost me $12 from Sally's. And from using it, I think I can get probably like 2 to 3 uses out of the gel and a lot more out of the activator. And right now I'm just putting my nails in here, letting them dry. Like I told y'all, $3.98. If y'all want to know how I be thrifting, let me know. And now I'm just about to put the top coat on it. And from this point, we really predominantly done. I'm just putting the last finishes on these nails. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It was your girl first time. Don't judge me too hard. I don't paint my nails. I don't do anything. I will say this kit was pretty easy. I will say that. Um, it didn't take too long at all. And I let my nails dry in the dryer for a while, but I also used the Rapid Dry by OPI. It's a spray that you use after you let your nails dry for about 45 seconds. I let mine dry a little bit more than 45 seconds before I used it, but it really worked because it did dry my nails pretty quickly. But this right here, guys, is the finished product. I am really proud of myself. Guys, tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know if you try it. Also, I'm going to leave a link here for another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.